Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can delete a printer in Windows 11. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is pretty straightforward video. Go on the bottom next to the search, right click on the start, and under task manager are settings. Then we're gonna have NC Bluetooth and devices, and then we're gonna have like printers and scanners. And what you can do is pretty simply, let's say there's like fax here, and you can click like remove here. Click on remove, and then you would like remove it. Excuse me. But this is pretty much it how we do it. This is how you can delete a printer in Windows 11. If this video was helpful, guys, you can support me and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for it. And yep, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.